Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot. It's 29th of March, about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. For the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation for the E-mini. Looks like we had open last night at 2027.75 area, somewhere in here. Got overnight highs, actually a double top at 2033.75, and after the double top, kind of worked our day down below just the first zone at the 2032 area, and then straight down through the second zone, clearing the 24-hour VWAP, couple pivots, and this major red dashed line, which is a major pivot, all the way down to an overnight low of 2020.75. We've now come back and retested this red dash and the zone here from 2022 to 2024. Now, if we hold above this zone, if this cross recross and we hold above it, and we can edge back up into here, just above the 20, about the 26 area, possibility area to go long, right back up into this zone at 2032.25. But look for some pullback again, right back into the 2028.25 area before we go high. So this area is going to be a real high possibility of consolidation, at least for the next couple hours. So be careful with it. If we can break out, get back up into this zone at the 2033 area where you have the double top, be cautious. Be a slight pullback down here again, probably down to the 24-hour VWAP when it catches back up to us. And then we could trade right back through this zone. Next target will be the 2038 to 2040 area. Now, getting up to this 2044, 2046 area, very, very strong resistance up here with the zone and double pivots. So look for a short in this area, at least for a pretty good pullback, maybe even all the way back to 2034. May not get all the way back there, but be prepared for that pullback and then a possible bounce off of this 34 again to kind of just ease back up, depending on the time of the day and what's going on. So just be cautious in that area. Now let's look to the downside. If we if we test the top of the zone like we have right in here, and we trade right back through this zone, look for a short heading back. First target to be 2013.75 to 2012.75, right in this area for first target. Possibly look for a little bit of a bounce to come back up in here, maybe all the way back up into here, but let's not count on that just yet. What we want to look for is after we get down in here is see where the 24-hour view up this white line is, see where it is. If it is somewhere between 21 and 18 area down here, then wait for the bounce off of this, wait for the retest of this 24-hour VWAP, wherever it happens to be, and then look for an entry to the downside. Looking again for maybe a partial target here in this zone again, and then all the way down to the 2006. And this could turn into a down day depending on what news and what the Yellen's having to say today. So just be cautious and be careful. Follow up targets, the 96 area, and then down here to the 84. Not likely at all. This 2000 area is going to be real tough to break. In fact, 2006 might be the bottom today if we move to the downside. So somewhere in here, start looking for a possible reversal and getting in and give yourselves a nice big trail stop and trail it back up to the opening today at around 2027, somewhere in that area. It might hold up right here depending on how late in the day it is. So let's be cautious, be careful, take profits early to do some runners on. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers. Have a great day.